Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Melisa and you are now watching Melisa's cooking sensation. So today I am going to make very easy and cheesy pasta. So for that all you need is capsicum, milk, any kind of pasta which I have already boiled, carrots, salt, sugar, oregano, mixed herbs, chili flakes and cheese. Then we are going to cut the veggies one by one. If you want, you can use a variety of vegetables over here like broccoli, mushroom, sweet corn, etc. Next up, in a pan, add some oil. You can add some butter also if you want. Then add some salt. After that, add some flour or maida into it and give it a good mix. Before it starts to change its color, add the milk. Keep stirring it and whisking it. Then add the veggies. Give it a good mix. Next, I am adding all the seasonings. First, add some salt as per your taste. Then some sugar. You can skip this. And after that, oregano. Mixed herbs. And give it a good mix. And then add some cheese. You can use any kind of cheese which you have, sliced or cube. Here I have sliced cheese. When the cheese is melted, add the boiled pasta. Give it a last toss quickly. And lastly, add chili flakes seasoning. So it's ready now. I'm going to serve it hot with some seasoning in it. You can add some more cheese on the top. So my yummy white pasta or pasta in white sauce is ready now. So do try this lovely pasta and let me know how it turned out for you. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel Melisa's Cooking Sensation for more such easy recipe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.